So here in this equation we are having 2 log a to the base x plus log a to the base ax plus log a to the base b is equal to 0, and two conditions are given: a is greater than 0 and b is equals to a square x. So we have to find the value of x. Now we can rewrite this equation as 2 divided by log x to the base a plus 1 by log ax to the base a plus 3 by log b to the base a is equals to 0, because we know that log of m to the base n is equals to 1 by log n to the base m. Now we will further simplify the left hand side. We get that 2 divided by log x to the base a plus 1 by, now log of ax to the base a, we can write it as log of a to the base a plus log of x to the base a, plus now 3 divided by log of b, we can write a square x as it is given in the equation. So log of a square x to the base a is equals to 0, because log of mn to the base a is equals to log of m to the base a plus log of n to the base a. Now we can further simplify this equation as 2 divided by log x to the base a plus, here log of a to the base a, we can write it as 1 because the number and the base is same, and log x will remain log x to the base a plus this we can write as 3 divided by log of a square x, there is a multiplication, so we can write log of a square to the base a plus log of x to the base a, log of a square to the base a plus log of x to the base a is equals to 0. Now what we will do, we will consider log x to the base a as say p. So it will become 2 by p plus 1 by 1 plus p plus 3 by this log a square to the base a, we can write it as 2, the power will come in front of log, and we can write it as log a to the base a plus log x to the base a, we can write as p as we have considered, and it will be equals to 0. So this is 2 by p plus 1 by 1 plus p plus 3 by 2 plus p, that is equals to 0. Now we will take the LCM of p, 1 plus p into 2 plus p, and above this there will be 2 into 1 plus p into 2 plus p plus p into 2 plus p plus 3 into 1 plus p into p. This will be equals to 0. We can now cross multiply this total denominator with this 0, and it becomes 2 into 1 plus p into 2 plus p plus p into 2 plus p plus 3 into 1 plus p into p is equals to 0. Break this expression. So we get it 2 into 1 into 2, 2 plus 1 into p plus p into 2, 2p plus p into p is p square plus p into 2, this is 2p, and p into p is p square plus 3 into p into 1 is p, and p into p is p square. Further we will multiply this. 2 into 2 is 4 plus 2 into p plus 2p is 3p into 2 is 6p plus 2 into p square is 2p square, 2p plus p square plus 3p plus 3p square is equals to 0. Now there are p square terms here, 2p square plus p square plus 3p square, so it becomes 6p square plus p terms are 6p, 2p and 3p, so 11p plus only constant term is 4 plus 4 is equals to 0. So we are having a quadratic equation of p and which we will have to solve. 6 and 4 multiplies to 24, and also this 11 we can break it as 8p plus 3p, so that 8 into 3 is 24. So we will break it as 6p square plus 8p plus 3p plus 4 is equals to 0. Now we will take 2p common from the first two terms, so it will be inside 3p plus 4, and 1 common from the third and fourth term, so that inside the bracket it becomes 3p plus 4. So we will now take common of 3p plus 4, and inside the bracket will be 2p plus 1 is equals to 0. So we are having two separate solution. One is 3p plus 4 is equals to 0, which implies that 3p is equal to minus 4, or p is equal to minus 4 by 3. And another is 2p plus 1 is equals to 0, or 2p is equal to minus 1, or p is equal to minus half. Now if p is equal to minus 4 by 3, we have considered this implies log x to the base a is equal to minus 4 by 3. So we can write that x is equals to a to the power minus 4 by 3, because we know that log m to the base n, if it is equal to a, then m is equals to n to the power a. Now from the second solution, which is p is equals to minus half, we can write that log x to the base a is equals to minus half, and x becomes a to the power minus half. So this is one solution and this is the second solution.